Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be reviewing this Herpa Snap-fit 1-200 Scale United 787-9 Dreamliner in the old United livery. But before I start, please like and subscribe, and also I've done the leaderboard for all my models so far that we rated. So some of the models we might have reviewed but not rated, that's why they are not on here. And also I took it into pieces just to show you how the Snap-fit models will come, but first we are doing the leaderboard. So that's how it goes. 11th place Sun Country 737-800, that is a rating of 6. Then Emirates, the Sky Cargo 777-1, I did the 777 comparison, I did rate it, so I put it on here 6. Then 9th place TAM A320 with the rating of 7. Then Aeroflot A319 with a 8th place with a rating of 7.5. Then 7th place we have the 2 Emirates Export 2020 777s, rating of 8. Then 6th place Air India 707 with also a rating of 8. And then an empty space. Then 4th place we have the Mexico 757-700 Captain America livery, rating of 8.5. So this is the newest model that I've rated. Please check out that video. And now 3rd place, top 3, we have the China Eastern Cargo 777 in the cherry livery, rating of 9. Then New Zealand 787 all black, so the NG models, rating of 9. And then another NG American 757-800 flagship Liberty with a rating of 10. So that's how it is for now. And yeah, let's see where this model will rank on here. So normally I would review it by 5 things. The box, gear, mode, detail, livery, but because this mode I don't have a box from it, and also there's no gear, I have to rate it just by 3 things: mode, detail, and delivery. So today it will be out of 30 instead of usual out of 50. But yeah, for those of you who don't know how Snap-fit models are, they come in pieces, so wings come separately. You have the tail stabilizers, the stand also comes separately. So I'll just put it together now. Okay, I took it just to show you if you don't know Snap-fit models. So they would come in a box, usually quite a big box, but I don't have a box from this. So stand, there we go. Then I take the fuselage. You have this hole here, so you just put in the wing like this. One. This side you have, this one is more difficult. Okay, 2, so that's 1/200 scale, this one. Then I would put it on the stand. Also comment below if you have any Snap-fit models. Okay, so that's this, that's how it looks. And now you have the stabilizers, so you have them silver bits here, so these should go on the towards the wings, so like this. Put my phone down and again like this. Okay, then the other one, I know you might not see it very well, but well, basically you can assemble them. They are basically for assembling, for putting together, but without glue. You just snap on the pieces into each other. There we go. Whoa, I've done these stabilizers wrong. They are pointing down instead of pointing up. That's why it wasn't going. Now again, to undo it. Right, this way. So yes, I don't have too many of them Snap-fit ones, but I do have a few. Also, they are all plastic models. They are not like proper die cast 1-200. I said they might be a little bit cheaper. Now once I've done this, I adjust the detail. There we go, very nice. So this is the model now. Let's go into the detail. So on the front here we have the cockpit windows and the nose. We have the Star Alliance logo, then we have the gold line going through. We have the L1 boarding door. We have the United titles, the windows, the emergency exit. We have the trailing edge. We have the engines, very nice detail. We have the winglets kind of. And the standard says United Boeing 787-9. And then here another emergency exit, more windows. We have the USA flag and registration on this is November 38950. And then it says Boeing 787 Dreamliner there. And we have the backboarding now, the golden globe on the United tail. There, EPU exhaust, very cool. And on this side it's the same. So now let's get on to the rating. The mold is done very nicely. There's no issues with it. I love how Herpa done the wings. Even the engines are see-through. You can see through them. Stand is all good. There's no issues with it, so I'll give it an 8.5 out of 10. I could improve a little bit, like the nose. I think it's too much down, kind of, but that's something I think detail. Now then, detail, it doesn't have any antennas, but engines are see-through, as I said. Detail on the wing is very nice. All the windows are correct. Tail detail, it's good. On the bottom you have your gear door there and here, so I'll give it a 9 out of 10 for the detail. There's nothing wrong with it. And final one, delivery. The painting is done just amazing. This golden line should be a little bit lighter in my opinion, but that's okay. The globe is done very nicely. It's a bit too much white though, but that's how it is. But yeah, and I will give it an 8 out of 10. So we had mold. Mold was 8.5 out of 10. We had detail 9 out of 10. We had delivery 8 out of 10, which adds to a total of 25.5 out of 30, which gives this model a rating of 8.5 out of 10. So let's see where this will rank on our leaderboard. It will not be first, not second, not third, fourth. There we go. It's here on the 5th place. Boom, United 787-9 and the retro delivery. Rating of 8.5. 5th place behind Aeromexico. Although it's the same rating, but Aeromexico scored a bit better. But ahead of Air India, which scored 8. So that's our leaderboard so far. First, second, third. For some reason printer doesn't want to print in color, but usually this would be brown, silver and gold. But it's like shades of grey instead of that. But apart from that, it is a amazing model. I highly recommend. If you collect Snap-fit ones, buy this one for sure. Amazing detail. Look at that wing tilt. Oh my man. Amazing. So yeah, that's it for me for today, and I see you back in the next video.